Cubby, what are you making?
A flower!
Wow! Would you give me once it's ready?
Here you go!
You're the best. Thank you. Oh, look at that beautiful leaf!
Come on, let's follow it!
I like how this leaf is floating.
Huh? What are you looking for?
I wish more leaves could fall and float like this.
You want to see something float?
Me too.
Oh, wait a sec! I made a cool paper boat. We can float it in the water.
Can we? Oh, yeah. For sure.
Cool! I'll be right back.
Huh? Huh? No worries. Let's make it again.
Think it's time for some cuddles.
Cuddle Cubbies, cuddle!
Fold it in half. Turn and fold it again. Make a triangle. Turn the bottom upwards. Flip and repeat. Make a diamond. Fold and now make a triangle. Open the pocket and press to make a diamond again. Pinch the top and done. Hooray!
Bravo! Let's go, quickly!
Hang on, guys. I have something to show. Wow! Now we have a toady, too.